Yo, what's up, people? Yo, it's DJ Track up in here. So yeah, this is the site that I'm telling you about, the Flamin' Toast. As you can see, I bought my masher button here, and yeah, the price is pretty not bad. Can't go wrong with the price. It's only $7.99. But yeah, you can check out the site and browse it around. They have it for Xbox, for any other consoles. Hey, what's up, people? DJ Track here. I'm doing a review video for my PlayStation decal. I bought these decals online. You can check it out on the link here. Check out the link there from Flaming Toast. But yeah, it is actually Flaming Toast. You can see here, Flaming Toast. I bought it from there. It's a good company. You get 10% off the first time you do it. So today I'll be doing the light decal because the PlayStation 5 has I have the digital console, but the PlayStation 5 has a blue light like the original, so what I'm going to do, I gotta slide it when I put this thing on. So I'm trying to see how am I gonna slide it. So I'm going to go down this way. I'm trying to slide it, but it's not sliding. Oh, there. Sorry guys, but that's how you do it. Just slide it and the plate comes off. So I am gonna clean the plate because it looks kinda a little bit dirty. This is the plate, one plate. I don't know why there's like marks on the PlayStation here. I am gonna clean it because it's a little bit dusty here. Alright, the fan's a little bit dusty. You can see the fan there. And then I'm going to flip it around where the PlayStation logo is. You can see the PlayStation logo there. And do the same thing. Sorry about that, guys. And do like this, and then this done. Okay, there you go. I got this one already. So this one is a plate that has a PlayStation. So I got two plates off already, as you can see, guys. Two plates are off. Now both sides they have fans. Cool. If you guys want to know what the PlayStation, this is the PlayStation 5 without the. Alright guys, so when I install this, I'm going to put it across here. The vinyl is going to go here. Show you close up here. So I'm going to grab rubbing alcohol, spray it, and just give it a wipe here. Alright guys, so that's how it looks. You can see there. See here? You can't really see what I put here. And next I'm going to do the other side. So pretty much same thing. I'm going to also be installing the button mashers for the PlayStation. You're going to see here. See here, but I don't know if you can really see, but I'll be adding these button masher onto the remote after I'm done this one. So I'm going to Alright guys, so that's how you do it. I am done here. So that's how you do it, guys. I got two sides already. This is done, this is done. You can see the decal here is good to go. Okay, so I'm going to put the plates back on right now. Just trying to figure out which side is which now. This one goes here. I'm guessing this one goes here. Okay, it just clicks. Alright, so that's simple. I'm done. This is the PlayStation 5 digital console. It's a good system. I love the system. Okay, so I'm going to put this aside. I'm done with this. I like the triggers because when you're playing game, it has like a, what do you call it? Like a spring. Like when you're playing, it's like, I don't know. I can't explain it, but I'm just gonna couple sprays, give it a good cleaning. Don't want any oil on this. Kind of just turn it on the system, but it's not on. Just give it a good cleaning. So I am going to put these buttons here. I'm going to add the old PlayStation button in here, and then the two buttons here. You can see here. PlayStation button there, but kind of like old school. You see the red there. PlayStation button. So I'm going to add the. For this one I'm going to add the red buttons here. You see the red ones here. I'm going to add the red ones. Alright, so that's the one. So that's the remote there. Hope you enjoyed the video. So this week we'll be coming out with another video where I'll be installing a skin on the controller, on the just on the top part, not this part, just on the top part, and I'll be installing a white skin there. I'm gonna show you the on how it looks like when the system is on. And when you have it on standby, it's orange. When you turn on the system, it turns like clear, like it's white, like a white. But this time it's going to be like a kind of like a rainbow color. So I'll show that to you how it looks like. When it does go on standby mode, it is gonna stay the same. It will show orange still, but it might be a little bit different color. But yeah, that's how you do it. I hope you enjoy the video. I will put the link in the YouTube video and instructions on how you can do it. It's like there's like 18 steps you have to take. You can just, it's pretty easy. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit the bell, thumbs up, like my videos. Keep watching because more videos coming up. Yeah, there's more videos coming up soon. Peace out. I approve this message.